Yo, welcome.
Whoa. What?
Look.
What's up?
We're gonna go over to Eureka, Trinidad area just for a quick day, like drive over there, have lunch, chill at the beach. Oh, we're at the local Taco Bell. If you're ever hungry, go get yourself a sausage crunch wrap for breakfast. Sausage. I guess we're going diamond hunting. We made it to the beach. We're at Moonstone Beach. What's up, girlie? Come on, baby. Dinosaurs. Let's go. Say hi.
Hi, sus. Look.
Look at what?
Look at that. Look at that.
Let's go.
Be careful.
What do you think is in there?
Black widow.
Black widow? You don't...
I'm a little bit scared.
Scared me. I can't do it. Go look in there. What's in there, girlie?
Run! There's a monster in there. Run!
What a wonderful place. We tried to go in the cave, but I got scared. Ari got scared. We all got scared. Hey, Maya. What's up, girl?
Go!
Come here, baby.
What are you doing?
Becoming one with the sand. Recenter my chakra.
Foot massage. It's not happy ending, sorry.
Who would have thought this would be our Saturday? The camera just falls, knocked out. That'd be funny. Ari, do you think we should do this every day?
Yeah! Me too.
I think
The struggles of parenthood.
All right, now we're gonna go to have some lunch, I believe, and then we're gonna go to another beach. All right, we just had lunch at the lighthouse. Maya's crying because she wants to go to the ocean. Oh, we're back at the beach now. It's a pretty good lunch. How you feeling, dude? All right, get over here.
Good.
You feeling good?
Walk this way.
Maya, what are you doing, girl?
Jumping.
Jumping? What are you doing, dude?
I jumped into the water.
This is our first time out of town since January, I think. First time to the ocean since January, which is kind of weird for us because we usually get out of town like once every 2 months at least. But yeah, this is cool. Out here chilling, letting the kids play. Luckily, this is only like 3 hours away, but that's still too far for us. We need to be like right on the beach, you know what I'm saying? But we'll get there.